All right, we're gonna start this and get us going. So I am going to do a tutorial on how to buy a stock and how to sell a stock on Robinhood. So this is a simulated part of my phone. Okay. So as you can see, once you log in, okay. So once you log in, there's multiple things that you could do. This is like a 101 on Robinhood, how to buy and sell. So in here, you have your 1 day view, your live view here, okay, all right, your 1 week view, your 1 month view, your 3 month view, your 1 year view, and all view. All right, there you go. See, let me silence my phone. Okay, so let's get back to this. Okay, so from here you could scroll down. So if let's say if you're brand new, you won't see the stuff that you see here. So these are like what I have in my stock. So if you're brand new, you won't see that. Okay, and so um, if you have a stock already, what Robinhood does is the first part right here. See where my mouse is at right here. This part here is just basically the news source that Robinhood wants to give you, announce it. So you could actually click on the number so it goes down. See that it goes down. Okay, so they're like kind of like your alerts. And if you go down a little bit, it shows you, if you have stocks, it shows your stock. If you're tracking crypto, it shows that you're tracking crypto, and it has your watch list. So this is basically my watch list. I'm putting a bunch of stuff on my watch list. Okay, so I am going to make show you guys how to make a purchase. So right now we are outside of trading hours, and so if I make a purchase now, it may not purchase. It may be on. It may be the order may be put on hold until it's time to until the market opens back up. So you can pick any stock. So like for example, if um, you want to look up Sprint. Okay, I'm doing Sprint because there was a recent merge with Sprint and T-Mobile, and as you can see it here, see that right after the merge it was announced. Look at how it jumped up. It jumped up 80%. Okay, so if you gotta, if, I got this share of Sprint from inviting somebody, so I got lucky, and so um, I was able to acquire a share. Okay, so let's say that if I want to buy a Sprint stock, okay, so I'm not gonna go into the detail. I'm just gonna go into straight into the buy. I will click on trade. I will go buy. Okay, so a market buy. Okay, so if you don't know what a buy is and market buys, you guys should click on price here, and it tells you what the price is. All right, so I'm just gonna do a straight market order. If you don't know what a market order is, the one thing about Robinhood is that you actually gotta come up here and click on the type of order, right? And it tells you what a market order is. It says market order, buy S at the best available price. Okay, so basically, you're gonna buy the stock at the best available price from Robinhood. All right, so it shows there that I gonna that it right now it costs $8.45. I'm gonna put one order in, check mark. Okay, right here. Okay, swipe up. Okay, there to complete my order. So your order to buy one a share of S Sprint will be sent when the market is open. And I click done. Boom. So now notice how we're outside the market. Notice how we are outside of the market hours, and it's queued up, right? So But if we were not, it was like during the daytime, then it will queue up, and then if the order is executed, uh, Robinhood would notify me right away that it was executed. All right. So I'm gonna cancel that, okay, because I don't want that in there. Okay. So let's say you want to sell a share, right? So you have one share to sell. Okay. I'm not gonna sell Sprint because I'm not gonna make a mistake here. Okay. I'm gonna go sell one of these weird share. You could pretty much do this for every single stock. Okay. So let's say I come here and I want to sell one share. Okay. So I'm gonna click on the stock I want to sell. I'm gonna trade here, sell. So same thing. All right. Okay. Same thing. Give me a second. I have some order queue up so it won't sell. Okay. I'm gonna explain those later on those sell limits. Okay. So I don't have any queue up, so any stock you can trade, sell, like that. Okay. And you're gonna click on. So I want to sell one stock. Check mark. Swipe up, and there you go. It said that your market has been set. One share will be sent when the market is open. Okay. So it queued up. But if we were in the if we were in the if it was in the daytime and the market was open, then this would execute and you would have your stock. And then what would happen is it'll pop up here on your stock and show your share. So as you can see, it shows your ticker mark here and the share you have. See all your ticker mark and share. So this is one way how you could read. You could just navigate through Robinhood. If you're This is for you. If you're brand new to it, okay, you're brand new to it. This is just very simple, straight to the point on how to buy and sell stock in Robinhood. So I'm gonna skip a bunch of stuff real quick because I don't, I don't like to not share something. So one of the things that a lot of people make a mistake is they don't realize that Robinhood actually doesn't sell the current price to you. Robinhood sells a future price, like a future higher price, because that's how they make money to you. So that's how they make money. So if you want to buy a stock at a specific price that you feel that if you look at um, so look at a stock that I don't own. So if I look at um, this stock right here, okay. All right, if I look at this stock and after looking at the history, I feel that you know what, I want to buy this at just $39 flat, right? Then what I do is I go to buy here. I'll come up here, okay? Come up here and change my order to a limit order, right? So that means that I just want it at exactly 39 bucks. All right, go to next, okay? And I normally do extended hours so it stays longer, but for this one, I'm just gonna do market hour, and then I would do until it's canceled, okay, or good till cancel, all right. And it said I want to buy one share, and then it'll let me buy it, okay. So I have, if you can see here, you if you don't have the available funds, something will pop up. So let's say if I do like 11 shares, I don't have any available funds, and I go check mark here, this will pop up, right? So it's gonna ask you if you want to deposit like $320. I'm gonna go no because right now I'm not ready to buy 11 shares. Okay, I just want to buy one share, and if I'm ready to buy one share, boom, one share limit is done, and it queues up right here. You can see it queues up right here. If you go all the way back to here, even shows it shows that it's queued right here as um, one limit buy, a limit buy. Okay, so let's go back. Let me cancel this and let's go back and see what a limit buy is. So, all right. So, buy here. Okay. A limit buy, all right. A limit order is to buy the stock SPYD at a maximum price or lower. So it is to buy a price at a price that you want. Okay. And then pretty much you could do the same thing for sell, a limit sell, if you feel that, okay, you know what, I think, you know, I think that this stock is gonna go higher, right? It's gonna go sell, and I keep it very simple. I just that I'm just saying, I have a limit, a higher limit, okay? So I'm willing to sell this for $9, okay? And then I'll sell it for extended hours up until it's good, and with one share, and I'm gonna click here, swipe up, and there you go. There's my sell limit. That's called sell limit, my limit sell, okay? And the way that works is if the stocks go to $9, then it'll sell. Okay, but let's it normally does sell when it passed $9. If it keeps going up, it'll sell. But if it goes up to $9 and it drops back down, sometime it may or may not execute. Okay, so just a little disclaimer there. So there's your basic function on buying and selling a stock on Robinhood and doing limit buy and limit sell on Robinhood. Okay, so I think that these are like the two essential functions that someone who's brand new that comes in, they should at least learn this, so that they could conduct a transaction. Um, so a little bit of disclaimer: I don't recommend that you go into this and start buying stuff blindly. I recommend that you start doing your homework. Ask question, ask people that you know that has experience in stock, or just post up a question in the group. Okay, and if I don't know it, I do know some people that are better than me and that are pros at this, and they could tell us, they could basically show us or give us the answer. All right. So thank you for watching, and I will I will see you guys at the next video.